Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video that has been requested since I think I started my channel, and that is where I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows. And right now it's Saturday, so everybody is out doing whatever work they're doing. So I just wanted to do the intro, but I might be doing a voiceover. More than likely I will be doing a voiceover for this video because I don't want to disturb you guys with the noise, because I just attract noise. Anyways, if you want to see how I do my eyebrows in two different ways, actually, I'm going to be doing one eyebrow with powder and the other eyebrow with a pencil. So if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, just keep on watching. So the first thing I do is I brush out my eyebrows with the spoolie, and this is just to get my eyebrow hairs to lay in a specific direction. I then go in with my double-ended eyebrow pencil and I start with the black end and I do my tail first so that I could just get the arch that I want. Then I go in to the front with the brown end of the pencil and I just do this at the very front of my eyebrows. I do the top, the bottom, and then I just fill in the center. I then take a spoolie and just brush and blend these two together. Dot on the front of my brows with the, what's it called, the eyebrow gel, but that's normal. I always make a mistake somewhere, but I'm just gonna blend that out, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And now on the concealer brush, I just took very little, just little bit of concealer, and I made that do because I don't want to have that extremely highlighted brow. So I'm just gonna use a little bit and carve out the bottom of my eyebrows as close as possible. I'm getting as close as possible to the brow, to the actual hairs of my brows as I can get. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the top. I'm just gonna try and get as close as possible and try and be as precise as possible. I'm just saying as possible a lot, right? Whatever, I'm just being precise and try and clean up the top of my brows. And then I'm gonna blend this out, not just with the flat brush, but I'm also gonna use my foundation brush and try and get rid of some of that overly highlighted brow thing. The halo brow, we don't want that here. It's a new year, it's a new decade. Let's leave that in 2019. That, my friends, is how I do my eyebrow with my pencil. I'll just go back in with a spoolie and just try and clean that up, make it look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna use the spoolie and just brush up my brows again. Then I'm gonna go in with the black powder, and I am going to once again start with the end of my brow because I want to get that shape what's the word? I don't know what the word is. I just want to get that shape done, finished, outlined, whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the black first, line the top, line the bottom of my brow, and then I'm gonna fill in the center. And the thing is, using the brush, wow. Somebody please send a speech coach for me. Anyways, using the powder gives you more of a natural looking brow. So it depends on what kind of brow you're going for that day. You can either use the pencil if you want like a very sharp, pointed, precise, you know, bad female dog kind of brow. You can go with the pencil. But if you just want a brow that, it's just, I woke up like this. This is how I look every day when I crawl out of my bed. I was born with this brow. Then you go for the powder kind of brow. Anyways, let's get back to the point of this video. So I used the brown brow powder. Wow, that's hard to say. The brown brow. Wow, say that 5 times. The brown brow powder, finally. And I put that out to the front, and then I accidentally extended my brow a little bit too much. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna fix this with concealer, and that's what I'm actually gonna do. Then I go in with the concealer again, and I once again try to get as close as possible, as precise as possible to my actual brow hairs, to try and just clean that up, you know, make it pointed. The end of my brow was a little bit too long, because nobody wants their eyeliner to meet their eyebrow. That's not cute. Don't do it, please. So I'm gonna fix that later on. So I'm blending that out with the flat brush, and then I'm gonna use my foundation brush again. And then because I accidentally got rid of the entire tail of my eyebrow, I'm gonna go back in with the black powder just to extend that brow again. So you can see me just going back in with the concealer to, you know, fix the front of my brows. I go in with the eyebrow gel to set my brows in place. Then I'll go back in with the spoolie to just soften it up a little bit. And that, my friends, is how I do my eyebrows with brow powder. So I hope this was helpful. Let me just let you get back into listening to whatever music I have playing in the background, and while you watch me finish cleaning up my brows here. I'll see y'all later. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. So this is my eyebrow routine. If I use either a powder product or a pencil, so whichever one you guys prefer. If you have an eyeshadow palette and you want to attempt to do your eyebrows using a powder, then you can just use the black and the brown depending on your skin tone. If you're lighter, then you'd use a lighter shade of brown, but just go with what complements your hair. So this is my eyebrow routine, and I hope that it was simple and it's easy for you guys to follow along. Yeah, so that's it. If there's any other video really? I was almost done. Oh my gosh, I was almost done. Anyways, if there's any other video requests that you guys have, just leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a faithfully blessed day. Bye guys.